Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting new release for 2025, the Winnebago Travato 59K. Whether you're an RV enthusiast or simply love cool new cars, this one is going to pique your interest. Winnebago is known for their innovative designs, and the Travato 59K is no exception. This camper van offers a blend of convenience, luxury, and practicality that makes it a standout in its category. Let's take a closer look at what this vehicle has to offer and why it should be on your radar if you're considering a mobile lifestyle or just love cool vehicles. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Winnebago Travato 59K has a sleek, modern design, with a streamlined body that ensures it cuts through the air efficiently. The vehicle is built on the Ram ProMaster chassis, which is known for its performance and reliability. The Travato 59K is perfect for those who want to hit the road in style without compromising comfort. Its dimensions are compact, so it's easy to maneuver and park, but it doesn't sacrifice interior space, making it ideal for those who want a full-featured RV without the bulkiness. One of the key features of this van is the solar power system. It's a great option for off-grid adventures, as it allows you to run various appliances without needing to rely on external power sources. The 2025 model comes with 200-watt solar panels that charge the 12V system, which can power lights, devices, and other basic amenities. If you love to go off the beaten path and stay in more remote locations, this feature will be a huge benefit to your travel lifestyle. Speaking of power, the Travato 59K is powered by a 3.6L V6 engine, which provides a solid performance whether you're cruising through highways or taking a scenic detour through winding mountain roads. The engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and an enjoyable driving experience. What's great about this engine is that it provides a good balance between power and fuel efficiency, making it a great option for long road trips. Let's move to the interior, where the 59K shines. It's designed to maximize space without feeling cramped. The open floor plan features a full kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping area, making it a perfect option for full-time travelers or weekend warriors. The kitchen comes with everything you need: a 2-burner gas stove, microwave, and a fridge-freezer combo, so you can prepare your meals while on the go. The use of high-quality materials throughout gives it a warm and comfortable feel. The bathroom is compact but functional, featuring a wet bath that includes a shower and a toilet. For a van of this size, it's impressive how well the designers have used every inch of space to provide all the necessary amenities without making the area feel cramped. The LED lighting in the interior ensures that the space feels bright and airy, no matter the time of day. Now, let's talk about the sleeping area. The Travato 59K features a Murphy bed that can be tucked away during the day to free up space for dining or lounging. This allows you to have the best of both worlds, a comfortable bed when you need it and an open floor plan when you don't. Plus, the mattress is designed for comfort, so you can enjoy a restful night's sleep even in a smaller space. For those who enjoy spending time outdoors, the Travato 59K has an optional power awning, which makes setting up camp a breeze. You can relax outside, sheltered from the sun or light rain, while enjoying the beautiful scenery around you. There's also an exterior bike rack available, perfect for those who love to cycle while on the road. Another great feature of this camper van is the advanced tech Winnebago has packed into the 2025 model. It includes a touchscreen control panel that allows you to monitor the vehicle's systems, from battery levels to water tank status. The infotainment system comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected while you drive. The rear-view camera makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces much easier, which is essential for a vehicle of this size. In terms of storage, the Winnebago Travato 59K doesn't disappoint. There are overhead cabinets, drawers, and under-bed storage for all your gear. Whether it's clothes, camping supplies, or even outdoor equipment, you'll have plenty of room to pack everything you need for your travels. Safety is always a priority, and the 2025 Travato comes with advanced safety features like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These technologies make it easier to drive and park, keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. To wrap it up, the 2025 Winnebago Travato 59K is an amazing vehicle that combines practicality, style, and performance. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a full-time RV lifestyle, it offers everything you need in a compact and efficient design. It's perfect for those who want the freedom to travel and explore without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on future cars and RVs. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and let's keep exploring the world of automobiles together.